Hi third graders. Today we are diving a little bit deeper into division. We're going to work on drawing pictures to represent it, using number models or words. Those are the three ways that we're going to show how. Okay, so let's look at this first problem. It says solve each problem. Use pictures and words to show your thinking. Okay, there are 20 children in art class. If 4 children can sit at each table, how many tables do they need? Okay, so first I'm going to make my plan by underlining the important details that I'm going to use in my problem. Okay, so I see that there are 20 children in art class. That tells me what the total is, so that's a really important number. It says if 4 children can sit at each table, how many tables do they need? Okay, so 4 children at each table. And then, of course, the question, how many tables do they need? You know what? Let's just say how many tables, because then we'll come back to that question and know what it's asking. All right, so the information that I do know is that there's 20 children in this class and 4 kids can sit at a table, but I don't know how many tables they need. Okay, so this can be written out as a division problem. It could be written 20 because there's 20 total divided by 4 kids equals question mark. We don't know how many tables yet. Okay, but I don't know how to solve that, so I need to make a picture in order to figure it out. So I know 4 children can sit at a table, but I don't know how many tables to make. What if I just start sitting 4 kids at a table and then see how many I can make until I get up to 20? Let's do that. Okay, so this is 1 table, and we know that 4 people can sit at it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put 4 down here to represent that we've used 4 of the kids out of the 20. Well, let's make another one because we're not to 20 yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 you can either put a 4 down below or you can put 8 because I'm skip counting by 4s. 4, 8, and then the next one, if you're skip counting, what comes after 8? 12. Good. We're gonna keep doing this until we get up to 20. Do you know what the next multiple of 4 is? Or if you skip count by 4? 4, 8, 12, 16. Oh, I know that if I add 4 to 16, I'm gonna get up to 20, so this is gonna be my last one because I have 20 kids. Okay, but what was that question asking me again? It says, how many tables do they need? Okay, so they're not looking for me to say that the answer is 20. They're asking how many tables I just drew. Well, let's find out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tables. Okay, so our answer is 5 tables. And this will be represented by, so look, you just solved a division problem and by using a picture. Okay, let's look at this next one. Oops. Amit won a pack of 24 stickers in a school contest. He puts the stickers into 3 equal piles, 1 for himself and 1 for each of his friends, Danny and Sue. How many stickers will each get? Okay, well, let's underline our important things. So he won a pack of 24 stickers. We're gonna underline 24 stickers because that's our total number. And when I see the total number, that's always gonna be our first number in our division problem. Okay, next it says he put the stickers into 3 equal piles, 1 for himself and 1 for each of his friends, Danny and Sue. Okay, well, we know the most important part in that sentence is the 3 equal piles. Okay, how many stickers will each get? I think they're asking how many stickers will each kid get? Well, we know that so we're dividing 24 by 3 because we're putting it into 3 equal piles, and we do not know the answer yet. And we need to figure that out. Okay, so I'm trying to put these stickers into 3 piles that are all the same because each kid gets an even amount. But I don't know how many stickers each kid is going to get yet. So I'm going to go ahead and make my 3 equal piles because it's kind of what it told me to do in the story. Kind of gives you some hints in there. So the 3 piles equal the 3 kids, Amit, Danny, and Sue. You don't need to write that down, but that helps you to understand what those 3 circles are. Okay? So for me, I'm just going to give each group 1 sticker and keep giving them 1 more sticker until I've used all my stickers. Okay, so I know I have 24 total. So let's just start. I'll give him 1, and 1. I've used 3 so far. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3. Now I've used 6 total stickers. Let's give each person another one because we're not yet to 24. 3, 6, 9 stickers so far. 4, 8, 12 stickers. 15 stickers. We're getting close. 18. Let's see if this next one. 1, 7, 14, 21. Oh, I bet this next one, if we give each person 1 more, I bet we'll have enough. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this one. And if you went and gave each person 1 every single time, they all should have the same amount in it. You don't really need to go back and count. I was just checking. So if I do 8 plus 8, that is 16. And then 16 plus 8, that gives me 24. So I've used all my stickers. Now I have to look back into my story problem and make sure that I understand what the question is asking me. It says, how many stickers will each get? So they're asking if you were to say, how many did Amit get? You would tell me how many are in one of these piles because we'll say that this is Amit's pile, okay? So he got 8 stickers. So 8 would be our answer. Okay, and if we're writing this out as a division problem, it's 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Another way that you could do this is you could draw an array based on how much you have. This is a little preview for Thursday. You're going to learn more about this Thursday. But if you had 24, I'll just show you real quick. If you have 24, let's say counters, okay? And you need to put them into 3 piles, okay? We're going to think of the 3 piles as rows. So I'm going to make 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And remember, rows go this way, so I'm going to add them going that way. Ooh, those are terrible arrows. Pretend like those are good. I'm going to start adding to each pile or row until I run out of counters. So, same thing. Look, just adding 1 each time. And look, I'm making an array. Do you see? Oh wait, I haven't been counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so obviously I knew that the answer was already 8, but if I didn't, I would just keep adding until I have used all 24 counters. So I have used all 24 counters, and look, it's a perfect array because it fits in my rectangle box and there's none left over or no extras hanging off the side. Okay, that's another way that you could figure out what 24 divided by 3 is, which is 8. All right, now let's look at your work for today. You are doing an equal share problem just like I did, and you're sharing 14 pennies equally between Leah and Matthew. Now, you are welcome to draw a picture. You can make an array. You can write out a number model or even write it in words. Either way, I need to see your work needs to be in this blank space right here. Okay, this may not just be blank. You may not just put an answer here and have nothing else written down. I need to see your work just like I showed up mine up above. Now don't forget to underline your important details and then set a plan for what you're going to do. Don't forget to look back at what